Hey folks, welcome to the second part, or is this the first part of my train tour? Actually, it's my first stop, Grand Junction, Colorado, and right in front of me you'll see that unleaded is $3.49, almost $3.50, and I don't see a gas station, so this is a first. I sense it's right around the corner, preparing you for the inevitability of a gas station. Okay, but there's some more to report on my my tour. So far, I have, I started out in Grand Junction. Well, I began in Roseville, California. Got on a train, almost forgot my cell phone because I was talking to a woman there about teaching and AI. She was an accountant. Teaching at Folsom Lake College, and I was telling her about how AI is going to help her on the job, not replace her job. And remember, that's important to know here, that AI is not going to replace you, but a person who knows AI and your job could potentially replace you. So let's study this stuff together, and I'll try to provide tips along the way. Okay, so one tip I'll tell you about right now is have a conversation with ChatGPT 4.0. I've got a whole video series on that, and what happens is it feels, you start getting kind of anthropomorphic about the whole thing and having a conversation with the AI. But what it does is it remembers the conversation, so you can go back and say things like, hey, what were we talking about yesterday? Remember when I mentioned Jim and that thing that I had to do for Jim, and he was expecting a report or something? It'll say, yes, you were working on a report, and here are the contents of that report. Like the other day, I went back and I said, I know I provide a lot of different services with generative AI and content strategy and education, but I've never seen a complete list. Can you give that to me? Well, it compiled like a 2-page summary in every single category of everything that I had worked on. And let me see if I can flip the phone around so I can tell you the rest of this. Yeah, and so now I'm going to be able to turn that into a spreadsheet, and from that put it on my website. These are all very simple steps, but sometimes unless somebody's walking you through that, you don't know what's going to happen. So I'm happy to do it. I'll be going on a multiple city tour here of the United States. Stopping at towns, available to speak, available for conversations at coffee shops, or sign up at glidercell.com and we'll have a nice chat.